Welcome to my channel. In today's session, we are going to learn about the swing package in Java. In today's session, we are designing a simple swing window which containing three labels and respective three text fields to get the information about the students like a roll number, name and city, or we can say address, and uh, getting one more button. After click on that button, the all the data appear in the Arial font with the size 16 and font style become a italic. So let's start. So we can build the this application within the two ways. One is by using NetBeans and one is without using NetBeans. So let's start with the NetBeans IDE 8.0.2. So first of all, you have to create one new project. Within that you have to select Java application. Next, just specify the well and good name. This is the name of the project. You can assign any valid name. Within that, you just right click on the your project name, select new and go to select JFrame. When you click on the JFrame, you just have to pass the a well and good name for your class. So I am getting the information of the student, so I am simply pass the name is the student. So package is optional. If you want to pass, then you can assign the name, otherwise leave it the blank. After selecting JFrame, now you can see your student.java file is created under the source package, and you will see the a designing part of the frame, and on the right hand side you will get the palette. From that palette you can use uh, drag and drop any required components. Frame is called as a container, and all those are components. You can add respective components by simply drag and drop over the frame. Okay, so our requirements is three labels and three text fields and one button. So I'm just dragging one label. So you just have to pass the valid label, valid value for the label. So first we are getting the roll number. So I'm just change the property of the change the text property of the label is roll number. Now you can check here. So I'm getting one more label. This is for the suppose roll number, then suppose name, and third one suppose we have a address, or we can say city, anything you can take. And the third one is suppose city. So those three labels, and we have to take a respective text field for those labels. So from the palette I am simply drag and drop the text field. Three text field, just drag and drop. Just remove the value from the text fields, because we don't want to show the any data within the text field. So that's why I'm removing the text from the text fields by using text property. So now you can see our basic form is our basic form designing is done. So we have to keep one button. So just drag and drop the button. Change the label of the button is my info. So after click on the button, whatever you enter the data in this text field, those data you have to display over here. So displaying the record, I am taking one more label. This is a label used to display the output. Here I am taking one more label. Just assign the header. You also change the font by using font property. Okay, this is a simple designing of our getting the information from the user regarding the student information. So now we have to write the code. Whatever we are entering into the roll number, name and cities text field, after click on the button, those data will be displayed into the output label with the specified configuration. Means your data show into the Times Roman font, and size become a 60, and font style become a italic. So you just assign, you just have to double click on the my info button, and first upon you have to remember the object name of the respective text field. So this is a J text field 1, this is a object name for the roll number text field. J text field 2, this is a object name for the name text field, and J text field 3, this is a object for the city text field. Okay, and we have to display the value into the J label 4. So just double click on the my info button, then you can listener is automatically attached with that button. Action listener is all automatically attached with the button, and you just have to put the only required information, yeah, required code within the block. So after click on the button, you have to first extract the value from the respective text field. So I am creating here three variables, one for roll number, one for name, and one for city. So for the name of the text field is a roll number, text field name is name means what, object name of the roll number text field is J text field 1 dot. I am using get text method to extract the data from the text field and assign to the variable RN. Similarly I am doing for the rest of the text fields. So after click on the button, first we are extracting the data from the respective text field and assign those value to the respective variables. So all those value we have to assign into the J label 4. So just I am using set text method of the label, and within that I am assigning the value. Roll number is equal to plus RN plus name okay. You just have to do this one things. Here we have to display our information into the specified format, means Times New Roman italic font style. The size of the font is 16. So just click on the design and select that label and go into the property window. Click on the font. You have to select Times New Roman. You have to select Times New Roman, italic, and the size of the data is 16. You have to specify the given format to that label where you want to display the output. Okay, so this is a code of designing a simple form. So just you have to run and check the data. Right click on the form and click on the run file. Now you can see this is a JFrame. I am entering here roll number 101. Suppose name Nikhil and address suppose Mumbai, and click on the button. All the data whatever you enter into the text field will display in that respective format into the label 4. Hope so all of you understood how to simply design the student entry form or whatever you want to design into the swing by using NetBeans. Thank you everyone.